Okay, I'm ready whenever you're ready.
All right, so this is our Game of Thrones companion project. This was done a few semesters ago, about 4 semesters ago. What we found when we started watching Game of Thrones is that it's an incredibly complicated show. There's about 32 characters or so in the first season we counted. So what we wanted to do with this project was create a more understandable representation of all those relationships and all those characters. So what we did is we created a second screen app. We've synced it across these 2 platforms here, and so as soon as characters walk in on a scene, they'll appear here on the iPad. Let me play this right here. And you'll be able to see the scene actually updating with the characters. And we have 2 different places for the arrangement to go. So portraits can either be here in the center. That means the characters are physically present in the scene. And they can also be here on the outside ring, which means that they are mentioned in the scene. So if they ever come up in dialogue, you'll see them sort of scoot in here on this outside ring. And so we can sort of click here on these characters and get a more detailed relationship description, and we can also drag a character here towards the center if it happens to be this particular character we're really interested in. And once we drag a character in the center, we'll be able to see their opinion about all the other characters in the scene, in their family, or even in the entire show. So right here we have King Joffrey's opinions of all the other characters in the show, organized by the sectors of their family houses. And we can also click on their portraits here and get a more detailed description of why he feels the way that he feels. The way we've organized it is that the characters who are further from the center are the ones that feel the most animosity towards that center character. The ones that are closer to the center feel more friendly. We have these filters here also to make it more convenient to select the character you want to see. So if you want to just restrict it here towards the family, let's see if I can. There we go. So you'll be able to see he sort of comes from 2 family lines, and here is the family. You can also activate the scene filter, so if you want to see just his family and just his family members who are present in the scene, you'll see that she is the only one. And that's about it. If that is good.